Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace. Start by powering off your HP 15SFQ2149NS and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them organized so you can easily reassemble your laptop later. Once all the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Before proceeding to clean or replace the thermal paste, it's crucial to ground yourself to prevent static damage. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the cooling fan and heatsink. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the heatsink. Gently lift the heatsink off the CPU to expose the old thermal paste. Using a lint-free cloth or paper towel, carefully wipe away the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free from residue. If you don't have the proper cleaning supplies, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. Once clean, apply a small amount of new thermal paste onto the CPU. A pea-sized amount in the center is usually sufficient. Replace the heatsink carefully, ensuring it is properly aligned, and then resecure it with screws. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow away dust from the fan and other areas. This step is essential for maintaining optimal airflow and cooling performance. Remember, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with a quote before repair, ensuring you're informed every step of the way. After cleaning, reattach the back panel by aligning it and pressing down until it clicks into place. Replace all screws securely. Finally, reinsert the battery, if applicable, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check to ensure that everything is functioning properly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Following these steps regularly can significantly improve the performance and lifespan of your HP 15SFQ2149NS. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.